The foreground wipe transition. Today's video is sponsored by the Majin Buu. Bring the foreground wipe transition between your clips. Right-click on it and select to open it in the Fusion page. Double-click to the transition node to open the group. Inside that group, select the color corrector node, and add an edge detect after. Adjust the edge detect sliders to your liking. Once you are satisfied, add a glow node. Bring down the shine threshold, and adjust the spread slider to your liking. Play around with the color sliders to give a color to your glow. Right-click in the gain slider and select to modify it with shake. Go to the Modifiers tab, bring down the smoothness slider, set the minimum to 0.5 and the maximum to 1.5. Now you can go back to the edit page, make a cut in your second clip, and copy the transition. If for some reason you have a terrible taste, you can cut your second clip in multiple parts and overuse this transition to give epilepsy to your viewers. If you liked this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, you must subscribe and close your eyes.